give you my heart.
Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video, or a vlog, kind of. This video is going to be vlog based, but I'm gonna just get my life together. I've seen loads of people lately been doing these get organised for me for the next month, or just get organised with me. So my room has been a mess lately because if you did not know, I've started a small business, and that is the setup there. For some reason, just because that bit's messy, my whole entire room is messy. So today I'm going to tidy, sort my drawers and everything out. So let's get started. So I've decided that I'm going to do my top drawer because that's the only drawer that I need to sort out. So I'm going to do that, and then we will do my wardrobe and sort everything on that side. This is what it looks like. Yes, I have got loads of books that I actually don't read, but they're like memory books, like Little Mix when they first started, One Direction, Jessie J, Union J, and I do actually read the baking books I've got, but they're more memories and I don't want to chuck them. But I have chucked these ones. So I don't listen, I'm not that big of a fan of 5 Seconds of Summer anymore. This is a photography book. I don't know if I am going to keep it or not. Ollie White, I just never read it. Gonna ask my sister if she wants that back, and I never read that. So what's the point of keeping it if I'm oh, and I've got this book. What's them little thingy bobs. tonight. I've had a very long break. I was meant to just go and get my lunch, but I just pretty much had a chill day with my dogs. But it took a couple of hours, but it's all clean. My wardrobe is sorted. There is probably still a couple of bags that I could chuck out, but I just love my bags. But my bed's made, redone my bed, sorted my desk. My desk has been a mess for ages, but I finally sorted it and everything is clean. Before we go and end this video off, let me show you the transformation. This video, it was more clean with me. I don't know what I'm going to call it. It might just be a clean with me, but I'm also like, this is me organising for the next month, because my room has been a mess and it has been kind of like stressing me out. Not in like a, well, stress is bad, but like it just got to the point that I couldn't move my room. I will admit that. So now I can, and I'm so happy that I've sorted the drawer that I needed to sort with my top, my wardrobe, and just like my surrounding area. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know any other types of videos you would want to see. I have a couple of ideas coming up this week, so stay tuned for that. But I'll see you next time. Bye! Hi guys, this is Editing Robin here with my jammies on and my hair's a mess. I'm just ending the video. I forgot to mention in this video, I won't be uploading on Sundays anymore. I'm only doing Wednesday and Friday now. So I hope you enjoy the Wednesday and Friday content. This gives me more time to film a video or vlog my day and just get better content out there for you guys. On top of, I can do tar and not try and continue with my small business. If you want to check out my small business, my Facebook group is linked in my description. Have a nice day. Bye.